The 2014-15 LSU Lady Tigers basketball team will represent Louisiana State University during the 2014-15 NCAA Division I women's basketball season college basketball season. The Lady Tigers are led by fourth-year head coach Nikki Fargas. They play their home games at Pete Maravich Assembly Center and are members of the Southeastern Conference. They finished the season 17-14, 10-6 in SEC play to finish in a three-way tie for fourth place. They advanced to the semifinals of the SEC women's tournament, where they lost to LSU. They received an at-large bid to the NCAA women's tournament, where they lost to South Florida in the first round. Roster, schedule and results. Source: rankings. The November 26 game versus UTEP and November 27 versus Kansas was cancelled due to a facility conflict. Those games were not rescheduled. References. See also: 2014-15 LSU Tigers basketball team.